Good morning students. Welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good. Today we are going to study the Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey. Dear students, in previous class we already learned how was India before the entry of European traders. India was made up of very many small and large kingdoms who were constantly fighting among themselves. आपस में लड़ते रहता है ना. Then this European traders cleverly offered to help these small rulers. Okay students, then what happened? These rulers gave them money and power. Means these European traders got the money and they reached in the higher position before the kings. Okay, in Indian kingdoms. Understand student? They got the authority and they got the money. Then what happened? These European traders set up their trading posts in various places of India, in all over the India. Okay? Then they raised their army, they built their building and they built their forts and they raised their army for their defense. अपना आर्मी को भी खड़ा कर दिया, अपना बिल्डिंग बना के, फोर्ट बना के. Understand students? Then what happened? See, the British trained Indian soldiers. British trained Indian soldiers means the British people appointed Indian soldiers in their army. Okay, dear students, do you know how was British army? How was the army of Britishers? They were strong, well trained and disciplined than the army of Indian kingdoms who were struggling to survive. Okay students, now let us learn about the Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey. It took place in the year of 1757 in Bengal. Which place? In Bengal. Okay, Bengal was a large kingdom at that time. Okay, it consists of West Bengal, Bangladesh, large part of Bihar, Odisha and Assam. You already know these are our states of India. These are the states of India, different states of India. But at that time, these all states together, it was Bengal. These all states together, it was one kingdom, Bengal. ये पूरा एक साथ एक kingdom था, Bengal. Okay students, Bengal was a large kingdom. Then who was the ruler of Bengal? Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla. Who was the ruler of the Bengal at that time? Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla. Then General of Bengal means General of Nawab. Who was that? Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar was the General. General means commander of the army. Means in a high position. He was in a high position. Okay, close to king. He was the General of the Nawab. Understand student? Then this already we know European traders came to India in various places of our country. Okay, French people were friendly with the Nawab. They were the main traders in Bengal. Bengal का main traders था कौन? French people. French people were friendly with Nawab. They were the main traders in Bengal. Okay, with the help of French people, with the help of French traders, Nawab captured Fort William. What? Fort William. What is Fort William? It was a big area of British people. British rulers built it. Fort William. It has many different offices there. Also, it was a secured place to hide an army. Okay? It was a secured place means many places are there, many offices are there, many buildings are there. Okay students, Fort William. Okay, it is situated in Kolkata. Then what happened? This Britishers wanted to get it back. This Britishers wanted to get it back. Means Fort William इन लोगों को वापस लेना है. ये अभी किसने लिया? नवाब with the help of French traders. Okay, so British people prepared their army. British people एक युद्ध के लिए शुरू किया. They prepared their army. See, at that time, who was the commander of the British army? Robert Clive. Robert Clive was the commander of the British army. See, this Robert Clive led the army, then defeated the Nawab and seized it back. Seized this Fort William back. ये जो Fort William वापस ले लिया. Okay, what is the reason? How the Britishers won the battle? Do you know that? One main reason. Britishers were the strong and well-trained, disciplined army. Okay, British army was well-trained, strong and disciplined than the army of Indian Kingdom, army of Bengal Kingdom. Okay, students. One more reason is there. This Mir Jafar, general of Nawab, he was not happy with Nawab. अपना किंग के साथ ये थोड़ा सा नाराज था. कौन? मिर जाफर, जनरल कमांडर ऑफ द आर्मी. देन नोइंग दिस, किसको पता चल गया? ये ब्रिटिश लोगों को ये पता चल गया. नोइंग दिस ब्रिटिश पीपल सीक्रेटली ब्राइब हिम. ओके, क्या किया? सीक्रेटली इसको ब्लैक मनी दे दिया, इसको पैसा दिया. किसको? देन ऑफर्ड हिम द थ्रोन. इसको क्या ऑफर किया? थ्रोन. देन gave him money. Understand, students? So this Mir Jafar betrayed the Nawab. This Mir Jafar betrayed the Nawab. Cheating किया, Nawab को cheating किया. With the help of Britishers, means this British people with the help of his general Mir Jafar defeat the Nawab. Understand, student? Then seized it back, Fort William. Understand, student? So British people got the Fort William, got it back. Also whole Bengal came under the control of British people. Understand? पूरा बंगाल ये ब्रिटिश पीपल का अंडर आ गया, क्योंकि नवाब को खत्म किया. Who betrayed this? Mir Jafar betrayed the Nawab, and it was easy to defeat the Nawab for British people. Understand? This was the beginning of British power in India. This war was the beginning of British power in India. British लोगों को other battles also there. See, there were other battles, other conquistors. See, the Battle of Mysore, new name Mysuru. Okay, rulers Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. Then the Battle of Punjab with Sikh people. Okay, then battle with the Marathas. Okay, there were many battles for many years. So our India came under the control of Britishers. Okay, students. Now let us learn again. See, the Battle of Plassey in the year of 1757. How was the army of Britishers? They were well trained, disciplined, and they were strong. Okay, they have mechanical weapons. Okay, the British trained Indian soldiers also. They appointed the Indian soldiers in their army. Okay, who was the ruler of the Bengal? Nawab Siraj ud Dawla. Okay, you can read this name, Nawab Siraj ud Dawla. Who was the general of the Bengal? Mir Jafar. He betrayed the king. Okay, then who was the commander of the British army? Robert Clive. Who? Robert Clive. Fort William in Kolkata. Okay, it is situated in Kolkata. This British people first the Nawab captured it. Then after that with the commander of Robert Clive, he captured it, seized it by. Understand students? Then other battles, other conquistors. Okay. Battle of Mysuru. Okay. Rulers Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. Battle with the Sikh people in Punjab. Then with the battle with the Marathas. Understand? Then see, Old Bengal. It consists of West Bengal, Bangladesh, large part of Bihar, Odisha and Assam. It was the large Bengal, Old Bengal. Okay. Now these are the states of India. Okay students, can you able to understand? Okay, now we can read the chapter, page number 339. Okay students, good.